Okay, in this problem, the metal pieces being casted have same volume, but the different shapes. One is the spherical shape, one is the cubical shape, one is the cylindrical shape. Okay, cylindrical shape having height to diameter ratio is equal to 1. So then the problem is asking which piece will solidify the fast and which one the slowest. Assume the n is equal to 2. Okay. So then we are going to apply the Jordan's rule for each and every casting to find the solidification time. First of all, before going to apply the Jordan's rule, we need to find the volume of the surface area. Okay. So volume of this spherical shape is equal, R is equal, the radius of the sphere is taken as the R into cube. Then area is equal. Okay. So then the volume of the cubical shape is equal. Volume of the cubical shape is equal A into cube, and the surface area is equal 6 sides, so 6A square. Then if we take the cylinder, what is the volume? Volume is equal the volume is equal 5d divided by 2 into square into d. V is equal 5d into cube divided by 4. Then area is equal because two flat shape sides, 2 divided by 2 into square circular covers plus it's 5d circumferential length into d this height. Okay. So then further we can simplify this one. It is equal 35d square divided by 2. Okay. Then this is the volume of the surface area. So then I am going to apply the Jordan's rule for each and every casting. Okay. For each and every casting. Okay. Now we are ready to apply the Jordan's rule. So first of all, I am going to apply it for cylindrical shape, spherical shape. Total solidification time is equal to CmV divided by A into square. Total solidification time of the sphere is equal the Cm. Let's take the mole constant is same for all casting. So R into cube divided by 5R square into square. Okay. So further we can simplify this one. Total solidification time for sphere is equal Cm. We can cut this one, and this one. So then R square divided by 9. So Cm R square divided by 9. Okay. Finally, we are getting this answer for total solidification of the time for the sphere. Okay. Let's see what happened in cubical shape. Same equation, total solidification time is equal to Cm V divided by A into square. The total solidification time of the cube is equal Cm, what is the volume? A into cube divided by 6A square into square. Okay. Okay, then next we are going to apply this Jordan's rule for this cylindrical shape. Total solidification time for a cylinder is equal Cm V divided by A into square. total solidification time of cylinder Cm is the volume. What is the volume? 5d into cube divided by 4 divided by area 35d square divided by 2 into square. Okay, let me simplify this expression. Total solidification time for cylinder is equal Cm 5d into cube divided by 4 235d square into square. So we can cut these 2 5 we can cut, so d. So finally we are remaining total solidification time for the cylinder is equal Cm, here only d square divided by 36, d square divided by 36. Okay, now we are having the three equations for solidification times. Okay, let me summarize what we obtained so far. For spherical shape, our castings, three different shapes: cubical shape, spherical shape, and the cylindrical shape. Okay. For total solidification time for sphere is equal Cm r into square divided by 9. Total solidification time for cube is equal Cm a square divided by 36. Total solidification time for a cylinder is equal Cm d square divided by 36. Okay, then here we have obtained three different values for solidification times, but we can't compare because this is in R, this is in A, this is in D, the three different parameters, so we can't compare. So that we have to write these three equation in one single parameter. So I'm going to select A as the single parameter. So then I'm going to replace R with the A, and D we are going to replace with the A. So what is the relationship given? The volume is same. The volume is same. Here the volume is A cube. So should equal to the volume of this one. Should equal to the volume of this one. So earlier we have calculated that value. Yeah. 5d into 3 divided by 4. Okay. First of all, I'm going to take this one. We are going to write. We are going to obtain R from A. So then, yeah. So we can calculate the numerical value for this one. Yeah. So by making the R into subject, R cube is equal A cube. So then R is equal 1/3 into A. So the value is equal, R is equal 0.62 into A. 0.62 into A. Okay. Similarly in here, by making D into subject, D into cube is equal 4 divided by 5 into A into cube. So then the D, by making D into subject, the 4 divided, 5 into 1/3 into A cube, A, the D is equal 1.0838 into A. Okay, then this found value I'm going to substitute in these equations. Okay, then after substitute, total solidification time of the sphere is equal Cm. So instead of R, I'm going to put this one 0.62 into A into square divided by 9. Then the total solidification time of the cube is equal cm a square divided by 36. So then for this one, total solidification time of a cylinder is equal cmd. So instead of d, I'm going to put this one 1.0838 into a into square divided by 36. So now all these three equations are in single parameter a. So then we can compare. So the before going to compare, I'm going to simplify this one. Total solidification time of the sphere is equal. By simplifying this one, we are getting, so multiplication of c, m and the a, I'm going to a square, I'm going to put a c, okay, the c into, for sphere we are getting 0.0427. Total solidification time of the cube is equal c into 0.0278. Then total solidification time of the cylinder is equal c into this division is equal 0.0326. Okay, now we can easily compare these three solidification times. Okay, which one is the highest one? So highest solidification time is this one, sphere. Total solidification time of the sphere is the highest one. So next, what is the next? The cylindrical shape. Total solidification time of the cylinder. Then the smallest one is total solidification time of the cube. This is how the solidification time is vary for in different geometries. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching.